Welcome to Berlin Airport Security Check. I will guide you through the simple step to book your security slot hassle-free. So let's get started. You want to come on Google and you want to type BR time slot. So when you type BR time slot, it takes you directly to the page, which is BR Runaway. So you want to click on the link, then it lands you to the page. So you want to choose the date you want to travel. So for example, I chose 5th. So you want to go to on that date, you have every airline, every scheduled airline that will be traveling that day. So you want to choose your flight. So you know your flight already. So let's say, for example, I'm flying to London, which is 3:55 p.m. and I want to get it booked for my time slot so that I'm able to just get the fast track, so that I don't have to be staying on the long queue. So you want to choose how many passenger you have. Let's say we have 3 passenger, and you want to choose the time. So the time slot, like you arrive at the airport by this time. So you want to put the name of each passenger. You have a 3 time slot. So for example, the first passenger with your surname. Then you want to jump on the email and put your email that you want to receive the particular booking, so that you can able to keep track. So you want to do confirmation of email, then the name of the second passenger and the surname, you want to put their names. Then you want to come to the third passenger and you want to input their name and the surname. Then when you do this, then you go to the next page. When you go to the next page, you have the information of the when you are traveling, and you want to choose to accept the terms and conditions. So when you do this, you don't necessarily accept the other one, which is for sales and other thing. Then you have the information of everyone traveling, and you have the time and the date and the airline they are traveling with. So you just want to do this and you get your time slots done. This is so fast and so pretty. I've used this several times, and I'll tell you, it's always best to use it. It will save you a lot of time. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more travel tips. Safe travels, and see you in the next video.